Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to perform source code review of a Java application using Fortify source code analyzer. Okay, so I already downloaded the Fortify source code analyzer. Go to the bin folder and click on audit benchwork. Okay, so now you can choose like different scan. So here I'm going to choose the advanced scan and go to the code review folder. So let me go there. So it's in the downloads, Zomato code. So folder, you can give the folder. Okay, select folder. It's not like the zip file, you can just select the folder and here you can see the path, right? So Android, etc. So all the files, paths, activities, .java, you can see all this, right? So you can also add directory, you can also exclude from testing if you want, like I don't want to scan commons, then I can exclude that. Okay, etc. I can do anything here. So we can adjust as per our needs and click on next. Click on next. So you can also see like show which are really exploitable or like likely problems, or in my case I'm not going to change anything. It should be by default. Okay, I'm not going to change any of the things. And let me click on scan. Okay, the scan will be initiated, so let's wait. So you can see the details, right? So we need to wait till the code has been finished, code scan. So let's wait. So you can see here, right? So it's analyzing all the files. Okay, the scanning percentage is like 45%. So we need to wait. Let it scan. So I'm done with the scan now. See here, if you can see here, like there are one medium issue, that is no empty password. So you can categorize to as top 10 or top 10 2017, and then if it is a false positive, you can verify it and go ahead and you can just check it. Okay, so here is the flow. So how the input is getting traveled and all. So if you verify like it's a false positive bug, you feel it as not exploitable or not an issue, or if it is an exploitable, you just keep it as exploitable. Once you verify, you're getting my point, right? So if it is not like not exploitable, you get a tick mark. So if it is like exploitable, yep, you will get an red mark. And yes, so once it's done, so go to the tools, go to the reports, generate legacy report, and select everything. Okay, and click on save report. So it's going to ask where to save the report. So let me choose downloads tab. Yep, and let me save. Click on save and save. And let me go back to the downloads and open the report. So this is how the UI look like. And mostly like I do prefer like checkmarks than the Fortify. It's going to take much time to scan few lines of code. Like if the code is like 40,000 50,000, like it's going to take at least like 1 hour to 1.5 hours, whereas coming to the checkmarks, it's going to do that in a less time, and we are going to get the more number of vulnerabilities as well in the checkmarks. I do personally prefer checkmarks than the Fortify. Both are good tools, but I do prefer checkmarks because they're easy to use and the GUI is also very good. And even like if it is the first time use, you can go into like you can learn everything in a single shot. You need not to like do hands-on practice for the checkmarks. Coming to the Fortify, it's also the same, but the scanning takes long time. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much.